Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have something truly enchanting to share with you. We are going to explore the elegance and allure of silk table runners. So let's dive into the world of luxurious table decor. Silk table runners are a timeless addition to any table sittings. Made from the finest silk fabric, these runners exude a sense of luxury and sophistication. They are a wonderful way to enhance the visual appeal of your dining in experiments. What makes silk table runners so special is not just their smoothness and lustrous texture, but also the exquisite designs and patterns that come in. From delicate floral motifs to intricate geometric shapes, there is a silk table runners to suit every style and occasion. Silk table runners are incredibly versatile. They can be used for both formal and informal gatherings. Whether you are hosting a dinner party or simply want to add a touch of elegance to your everyday meals, a silk table runner can intensely elevate the ambience of your dining area. There are various ways to style silk table runners to suit your personal taste. You can place them straight down the center of the table, letting the beauty of the fabric shine through. Alternatively, you can drap them diagonally and create intricate folds for a more artistic and dramatic effect. And there you have it, the enchanting world of silk table runners. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the realm of refined table decor. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more delightful content.